On YouTube, you know it's your boy Click, man, and I'm back with another banger for you guys today, man. Today I'm gonna be reacting to a series called Idiots in Cars. I know we all see the stupidness that people do on these streets, man. It is crazy. Some of them that it's actually like funny, and some that are like, wow, bro, you just tried to kill me type of thing. So we're gonna be reacting to some dash cam footage. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, share the video, help me get this content out there, man, and we're just gonna get right into it, man. Peace. Yo, bro, these guys be the worst, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. These guys do be the worst. Like, they just switch like you're not there. So dumb. What happened in here? What's the road rage for? What started this one? Okay. Alright, brake checking like a loser. Oh shit!
What the?
So you decided that with your little your personal little, I don't know if it's a Honda CRV or something, that you wanted to. This is a commercial truck. So niggas rarely don't give a fuck about the company car that they're driving. I'll tell you that right now. So you decided to go beside this person, say something, tried to fake him. He flinched, and you flinched all the way off the road. You played yourself, man. Yeah, you get what you give, man. You're lucky that's all you got. Nigga shook right now. Either they were trying to pass two cars at the same time, or the first car wouldn't let them in. Okay.
Wow.
Oh!
Wow, shit, son.
I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I'm from Jamaica. I see that shit all the time. We just move out of the way and not get shocked, so. I mean, it is crazy in a first world country, but it is what it is. What's going on here? Nigga. Okay, did that guy indicate? Because I think you are allowed to turn there. Oh shit. How is tire pop from all of that? Woman ignores a stop sign, nearly gets T-boned. Happened in Czech Republic. Okay. I think that was the stop sign ignored. Okay. Yeah. I mean, people readily don't look where the fuck they're going.
Guaranteed results on your first visit, or it's free. Call now. 404.
How, brother? How did you not realize that?
That's 404 400 1170 and start living fully.
What the fuck?
Where else can you get a high quality mattress?
It's the main road, bro. Like, you don't have sense. Alright. Going around. Okay, this truck driver's a fucking idiot, bro. Oh, this is Toronto. So yeah, typical shit. Stupid ass. Like, what? What is this guy thinking, bro? Again, because that's not his truck, most likely. Okay, we're turning left.
No.
What is he gonna do? Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go with, he's gonna get out of the car. What the fuck is this guy doing? This guy made a transit turn. That's fucking crazy.
If you're a college student, keep watching. One of my least favorite things about writing papers in college was remembering the correct format for my citations. In high
Yo, wait. Oh my god, brother. There's no way you thought that was gonna work. That is so crazy.
I keep thinking the aircon's coming on, then I realize I'm just in the shade for a second. That's always
Is this guy going the wrong way?
so it does.
Oh, no, okay. No way.
Christ.
With that small ass car. You thought that would have... Oh, okay. That would have been a smart thing, I guess. I don't know. Can't imagine them being drunk at 9:30 on a Tuesday morning. Okay. You'd be surprised, man.
Whoa!
Probably on his phone.
You're
Because
gonna
people
get
do that shit where
somebody.
they're on their phone and they start turning where they're looking and shit like that. Oh, the gas station problem's not. This is. Oh, okay. Oh. My nigga sent his ass. Yo, some of this shit is like. I think that's one of my biggest fears. 100% because I ride my motorcycle too, so that's one of my biggest fears. Like when I'm slowing down at a light, I'm always checking to see if the person's stopping in time. Because if you get pushed into the intersection, and that intersection already, the next intersection starts going, you're done, bro. You know what I mean? Um, man, I don't even know what to say here. Look at that poor dog. Look at the dog. The dog's like, what the fuck's going on? And wow. Oh shit. What the fuck, bro? He did not see that person or something? Oh, a drunk driver. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. If I'm not like physically hurt, like immediately or whatever, I'm chasing your ass down. Or my car can move, I should say. Why did you do that, sir?
That didn't end up too good. Shit, dude.
Huh. Oh, it's winter. Oh my god. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Good thing that dash cam is there, man. Oh, okay.
That means
Interesting. You own the road, I guess.
22. Javier Baez.
Bro, come on, man. It's raining.
Oh, you alright?
Well, what about Marcus?
Niggas really don't be having no sense, bro. Like, I'm watching this so anxious, bro. Because I'm like, oh my. Do niggas understand speed and momentum, bro? Like. What is going on here, bro? What? What? I'm so confused. I don't know what that clip was about. Same shit, bro. Like, just people just don't have sense, man. Just watching these clips make me anxious as hell. Those are the best. Bro, on a daily basis, I'm always watching for people doing stupid shit like that. Just to see if the car leans.
I thought so.
And then they act like they didn't do anything wrong. But that nigga need that fucking Big Mac, man. Wow. That was a serious crazy hit. Honestly. These cams, man, are like one of the best inventions ever. Because people will try to lie and say, oh, I didn't do this, I did this. You know what I mean? Look at your car now, brother. And he just kept moving, kept it moving. Oh, he's not gonna observe that because he just took off. Yeah, that's so annoying, man. Okay. I see you. What's he gonna do? Come all the way over? He stops.
Your call has been forwarded to an auto.
Yo, what the fuck?
Go on, go on.
If you're gonna come out of your car trying to move like you have road rage, you better come out with a gun or something. Because one, as a matter of fact, nothing coming out with anything in your hand at all is kind of dangerous, man. Because you're coming out, right? Like, what if this person panicked and just drove right into your ass and hit you? Like, my boy was confused here. Or the leveler. Like, nigga, that car will level you out. Relax. Is that a good reaction? Because if somebody was actually coming in the next lane, what would you have done? Sometimes, like, I don't know, man. Lovely left turners.